In the name of God. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Rosa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this star knot cushion that has 2 layers. In the previous video, I taught you how to make the star knot cushion that had 2 layers. Watch the video completely and see how do I make it. The fabric that I use is a Korean stretchy velvet. As you see, it's thick and it's not thin that much even when I stretch it. I filled the braid and now I'm starting to tie the braid. I want to make a star knotted pillow. Start with an ordinary tie. We have 5 petals in this cushion, so we make the petals at first. One, two, three, four, 5. It has 2 layers. In the previous video, you saw a 2-layer star cushion. This cushion has 3 layers. So follow my hand and watch it. We should bend the braid this way on this. So we put it here and pull it from here. Turn the braid so that the swing seams are toward the center of the cushion. Here. It's here. Beside this one. We should bend it again. Bend and turn so that the swing seam is here. So we should put it here and pull it from here. The length of the braid is 5 meters. 5 meters and a half. Again, we should bend the braid here So we should put it here and pull it from here. And turn the braid. And again, you should bend it from here, put it here and take it from here. I turn it and organize it so the sewing seams are hidden. Okay. We want to triple it, so we continue to tie. Put it from, bend it, put it here, take it from here. Okay. This one should be triple too. Bend it. This one is 3. This one should be 3 too. So we bend this, turn it and bend it. The second one is done. 1, 2. This one should be 3. We bend it, put it from here and pull it from here. This one is done. 1, 2, 3. This one should be 3, 2. So continue. And again here. It's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should sew these two together. I will sew it in front of you and cut the surplus braid and sew these two head and tail together. Continue watching. I finished the cushion as you see. It's a very nice cushion and easy to make, so try it and make it at home. I sewed these two together and covered it with a leather. Try it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.